Welcome to the Invision Community Marketplace, where we showcase and review applications, plugins, and themes for the best community software on the web. Today we're looking at an application called Videos. It's version 3.3.2 by developer Mike John. The cost is $45 with $20 per year renewal fee. It is compatible with versions 4.2 and 4.3 of Invision Community. Let's read the About This File section. This application allows your members to submit their own videos for community viewing. Support is included for all major video sites. Boy, that's a basic version of what this thing does. There's a ton it does. Let's jump into it. First, you want to download the file. Once you've downloaded the file, you're going to have to unzip it because it comes in a zip format. And unzipped, you'll get a folder that says videos and the different IP board versions you have. The install files we're looking for this case, is 4.3 and the videos.tar file. So head over to your Invision Community application control panel, administration control panel, and head over to Applications, Install, choose File, and I'm already in it, but choose your videos. That videos file you just unzipped, 4.3 and videos.tar, install. Now we've got the application installed. Let's head over to the front end and just see what it looks like with the basic installation settings. We see a new videos tab here on the navigation bar. And here we have trending videos, following videos, discover videos, and featured videos. We can add video or go to My Videos. Head over to My Videos. I got nothing. Back to videos. We have some default sidebars here. Categories with your categories, view all categories, latest videos, latest comments. If I were to manage blocks here, I can put something above the videos feed, which is automatically added, or the latest comments block that's automatically added. But you can't put anything over the categories block here. But we'll look at videos here and see what we have. We have videos feed, display a feed from the forum's videos. Latest comments, display a list of the latest video comments. And video statistics, display a list of the latest video statistics. Let's go ahead and move that over there as well. Edit. Doesn't look like there's anything to edit. Latest comments, see if there's anything there. Okay, I can show the latest how many comments I want. 5 is fine. And videos feed. I can change the name of the widget. Show category videos, which show videos from this category, whatever category you have this widget placed in. We're going to have to leave that unchecked because we're not inside of a category except the base videos category. And select the category you want to use. I'm going to say all categories. Sort field, I can sort it by date added, last updated, or video rating. And ascending or ascending. And how many videos do I want to show? All the default settings look fine to me. And we'll finish editing. Oh, video statistics is already included down here. That's fine, we'll leave it there. And finish there. Okay, so let's take a look at adding a video. So we'll choose which category we want the video to be in, the basic category we have set up, videos, and what's the media URL of the video. So as you can see, he gives you a default placeholder video there. Let's head over to YouTube and just grab a YouTube video. Grab the URL. Head back over, paste that in there, continue. I could have chosen Quick Add, which would have just added it right away with what the information that was imported is. As you can see, it's imported the name of the video And it gives me the option to put in some tags here. And I can put in a prefix. I choose one of these to be a prefix. Let's see here. Auto follow. Yep. Go ahead and notify me of any comments for this video that I'm uploading. Once again, I can choose to change the category that I've put it in. I have one more opportunity to change the media URL. I can add extra videos. So let's add another one. See what that looks like. This, however, is not going to auto-import the title. And if I wanted, I could add a couple more. We'll just leave it at the one. Thumbnail type, I can upload a thumbnail, automatically have it generate a thumbnail from whatever the video's thumbnail is, or enter the URL of a thumbnail. I'll just set it to automatic. Here we give it the video description. I probably want to use this description, or I could enter my own description. Once I have the description, I could add some images, things like that. We'll hit submit. And there we have it. So here's my prefix, review, member social info, the title. I'm automatically following it. I can see who else follows it. It tells me who it's by and when it was posted. That's today. How many views it has, how many comments it has, and I can give it a rating. And it's got the other tags. Of course, I can add more tags here if I wanted. There we go. Submit that. And it's got a nice big window of the video. And it's got the alternate videos right here in a tab fashion. So I can choose the main video, or I can go to the kitchen sink video I added. Manage options are I can edit the video, hide it, feature it, move it, change the author, add message, or delete it. These are all pretty self-explanatory. We'll go ahead and feature it just so we can see what that looks like. I can add any comments I want, and that is it. Let's go to the videos and see what a featured video looks like. There we go. A new option shows up on top, featured video, and there's the video. It's also the top trending video. It's the video I'm following. Oh, videos posted by members you follow, so it wouldn't show there, because that's content I'm following, not another member I'm following. Discover, which shows the latest videos. I think I'll put that as my default tab. We'll look at that when we get into settings. And what's featured? This one's featured. Maybe I'd want featured to be the default tab if I had multiple featured videos. So we'll head over to my videos and see what we got. There we go. My video's in there. Go back to all videos. I'm sorry, videos. Videos category, I have a 1 in there because we've added a video. Latest video shows here nicely. No comments have been made. And my statistics look good. All is well so far. Let's take a look at the back end and see what else we can do with this thing. So once we've got it installed in the back end, head over to Community, and you'll have a new section called Videos. Let's jump right into Settings. So here we can enable an RSS feed that allows people to subscribe to your RSS feed of videos. We can enable extra videos, which is what we did. We like that. We'll keep it. Default loading tab. I can choose. This is where I can choose if I want which videos I want to be first loaded, what tab they see first. I'm going to choose featured. Actually, no, I'm going to do discover because I want the latest videos. How to sort videos. Let's see. Let's sort them by date added. That seems to be the or date uploaded or updated. We'll do added. And we'll do updated. I like that better. Yep, I want the latest one, descending. I want the latest up front, up top. Number of videos show, I like to do like 48. Show a bunch of them. Do we want to enable the quick add, or do you want to force your members to go through what we did, the full on settings or setup of the video? If you do the quick add, users can enter a media URL and the application will attempt to fill out the title and description automatically. YouTube and Vimeo videos. I have noticed when using this that the description doesn't really autofill with the description of the video. It just uses the title of the video and puts it in the description. I've already talked to Mike and hopefully, or let him know of this, and hopefully he will be updating that. How many videos do you want to show per page? Interesting. From the portal, number of videos show on the videos front page. How many videos do you want to show by default in the category list all pages? Change that to 48 as well. So that would be, I'm guessing, if we're narrow this down by category, how many videos show. Oh, we can set the maximum video width. We'll just say unlimited, let it fill the whole screen. If we wanted it to look a little tidier maybe or smaller, we could say like 400 pixels is the largest width a video should be. I like mine big and in your face, so I'm going to use unlimited. The default video type is, do you want it to be enter a media URL, paste an embed code, upload a media file, or enter a URL to uploaded video file. I'm going to say media URL. That's generally what people are going to use. It would cost me a lot of bandwidth to have them upload the media file. So I'm probably going to disable that, and we'll take a look at that later on. Default thumbnail type, I like automatic, but you have the option of the upload or a URL thumbnail. Trending, do you even want to show trending videos? You could disable that and get rid of that tab altogether. Trending video limit, we'll leave it at 12. And should it be a daily trending or a weekly trending? That's kind of cool. Feature videos, yep, let's do featured videos. Use embed code. Use the videos embed code in the featured videos block. Boy, I'm not sure what that would look like. I'm going to go ahead and leave that unchecked. Featured switch toggle. Show one featured video and allow members to toggle additional feature videos. Or not. I'm going to leave it not so we can have multiple featured videos right on that front page. Enable custom fields. Yeah, we'll go ahead and let custom fields exist. Looks like we have a custom fields option here somewhere that we can fill out. We'll get to that. Next we have display position. Do we want it to be above or below the, do we want the custom fields to show above or below the video? We'll go ahead and set it to above. Do we want to require approval of new videos? I kind of like that idea, but maybe you don't. Do we want to approve updated videos? If they edit them and update them, doesn't need approval first. And you want to check for duplicate media URLs. So this makes sure that people aren't posting the same video twice. I'll leave that unchecked. Do we want to allow people to have comments on videos? Do these comments require approval? And how many comments do we want to show per page? I like things robust. I'm going to choose 50. Go ahead and save that. Head over to thumbnails and uploads. Enable thumbnails, absolutely. Yep, we'll let them upload thumbnails. And yep, we'll let them use URLs for thumbnails. Make sure you have something in here. If that's blank, people, no thumbnails will work. maximum dimensions for your thumbnails, and your standard thumbnail dimensions. Video uploads, submit video URLs, allow remote video URLs to be posted, sure. Enable video uploads, allow direct upload of video files. Must be an HTML compatible video file. Here are the formats you'll allow and the maximum size you'll allow for a video. We'll leave that unchecked in our case. Let's head over to discussion topic. Do we want to create a discussion topic for each video that's posted? And that would be a topic that shows up in your forums. So maybe you want to do a videos forum to discuss each one in the forums. And use the video submitter as the topic author. That'd be a good idea. Then you can customize the title, choose which form it goes into, and what you want the topic to look like. And you can use these if you wanted in the topic title, though I don't think thumbnail would work, but you could use any of these you wanted. I don't need this, so I'm going to disable it. Save. And let's see here. Let's go back over to the community. Let's go to categories. And we'll create a new category. I want to show you guys the feed options, so I'm going to choose feeds as a category. Group, I'm not sure what group does. I haven't played with it. I haven't figured a use for it. Let's see if I do admin. It doesn't autofill, so I guess it's not a group, a members group, but maybe you have maybe you can give them a group title. Let's try it. Let's try, we'll just put in reviews and see what happens. Parent category. Do we want this to show into the videos so it's a subcategory to videos? Or do we want to make it a parent category? I'm going to make it a parent category. Give a description. Any rules we have for people posting in this category. And we could give this a image if we wanted. So another thing you could do when you're doing feeds are having it automatically import from like YouTube. And maybe you want to give a new category name for each different feed you have. So maybe a new category would go under feeds called Invision Community Marketplace. And then you could use my logo here to display for that category. Let's head over to settings. Is this a category only? As in, yep, you can't upload to this, but you can add more subcategories to it. View a video list. So video lists, regardless of permissions, allow direct viewing of videos. We'll leave that unchecked. Category RSS, yep, that's fine. Enable widgets, yes. You could disable widgets, making this full screen and not possible to go back over videos here. So it looks like that, and it can't have additional blocks added. We'll just leave, we'll let widgets be enabled. Category display, thumbnails or list. I like thumbnails myself, but if you have a ton of videos, maybe list would work better for you. And what discussion topic do you want for this category? Anything that goes in this category, do you want to create a new topic for it? I'm going to say no. Sort date, I can choose how it's sorted. Order, how many videos per page in this category. And do I want to allow tags? Sure. No prefixes. Save. Now that we've got our category set, we get to choose who can do what in here. So right away, I don't want anybody to add new videos, but the administrator. I don't want, yep, everybody can view that category. Nobody can add videos but me. Oh, view videos, I'm sorry, I had that wrong. Add videos, only me. Everybody can view them. Comments, everybody can leave comments. Actually, guests can't. Sorry, guests. And auto approve, yeah, we'll just auto approve everything, save it. Oh, actually, that's for our feeds. I'm going to say, oops, I'm going to go back to permissions here and say no auto approve. I'm the only one that gets to auto approve. Save. There we go. Now I could add a subcategory. Like I was saying, maybe Invision Community Marketplace would be my subcategory for a feed. And I can set my custom fields here. We'll create a new custom field. And boy, this could be anything you wanted. Let's try, boy, I don't even know what you'd use this custom field for. Any ideas? Let me know. Boy, you have a lot of options here. You can make it a checkbox set, maybe, with a couple of options to check. Or just one option to check. Ooh, an address. There we go. So we'll say the field name is going to be location. Where was this video filmed? Maybe you're doing an outdoor adventure community and it's all outdoor adventure videos and you want to know where these videos are located. We'll make that required and we'll make it feeds and default. Nope, we'll leave it blank. Save. Okay, so this custom field will only show up in feeds, and I think we're good to go there. Let's head back over to categories. I think what I want to do, I'm going to make this a category only. So that's going to disable content from being added to it, save it. And now I'm going to add a subcategory and call it group. Once again, I'm going to do reviews because I'm not sure what that is. Yep, I want it to be under feeds because it's going to be a feed we're creating. Description. There are no rules. We're lawless. Let's go ahead and choose a image. I don't know. We'll just do this one. And hit save. Let's see here. Auto approve. Nope. Just me. Add comments. Sure. Add videos. Nope. Just me. View videos. Sure. View categories. Sure. Save. I did forget something. I want to make sure I got this all set up right. Tags. That's what I want to enable. Save it. Okay, we've got our category set. Now let's head over to media sites. So these are the sites I can use. So it's using a YouTube API. I definitely want to use that. Twitch and vid.me. We'll go ahead and allow them to be used as well. I can rebuild the embeds for YouTube in case things get messed up. And I can rebuild thumbnails in case video thumbnails have changed. And if I want, I can create a new one. Maybe I want to do Vimeo. Vimeo.com. An example URL, so I would have to know a Vimeo URL. We'll just do something like that. This is just what would show up for people. And a full embed URL. Yeah, example URL is just what shows up for the users so they understand what's expected to go in here. Obviously, this isn't correct. I'm just giving an example. Save. I'd have to go look it up to see what I need to put in there. So now I've got that in there. I'm going to go ahead and delete that because we don't need it. Just showing you guys what can be done. Let's see here. Let's go to media imports. So create a new import. Now here's the tricky part. See, I got all these different variations. I've actually created a file for you guys. What I'll do is I'll put these in the description of the video. So make sure to check out the description. If you're the Vimeo account or the YouTube account you're after, so you'll see that mine is a channel, and youtube.com/channel, and then there's the channel name. Once we hit enough subscribers, I can customize that channel name. We're not there yet. Please subscribe. So we know that it's a channel. Head over to my trusty document. Here's an example channel, and that's the URL we need. We just replace ID equals, we just replace channel name here with that right there, that little bit after channel. See if I were to remove this. There we go. Still loads. Good to go. That's the channel URL I want.
Community market.
Pause that. So I can't just copy this URL. I just need that ID there. So I'm going to go ahead and copy this. Paste it in here. And now I need to make sure I add that channel ID to the end. Copy. Paste. There we go. We won't need any of this. And let's see here. Do I want to add a prefix for it? Nope. The video author. Yeah, that's going to be me. And I could choose a different user. Maybe I have a bot user. For my community, I have a user called Mr. Handybot. And that's the author I use for those. Video category. That's going to go into the new category we created, Invision Community Marketplace. And do I want to lock newly imported videos or hide them? I suggest using hide for your imports unless they're your video channels. I like to do that just so I can automatically have them hidden. I can go through them when they get added and make any changes I need to, like to the tags, the description, stuff like that, before they get brought in live. So I'm going to leave that as hidden. And locked, of course, means they would not be able to comment on the videos. But that's fine if they comment on them. Hit save. Okay, so we've got our feed in now. You'll see it's disabled by default. I can run it whenever I'm ready. And of course I can edit this, copy it, or delete it. Before we do that, let's head over to permissions, see if we got to do anything else first. And permissions just takes you to the users and groups settings right here under members, groups. That just takes you here because there's permissions for different groups. So let's take a look at what members can do. If we hit edit, we'll see a videos tab has been added. And this is all the stuff this group can do with videos. So there's your general video stuff. Can they change their own rating? Can they even rate their own videos? Or any videos? Can delete their own videos? And so on and so on. Now there's also moderator positions. So this is my standard members group, so I probably wouldn't want any moderation here. But maybe you're doing a wiki style video setup, and you could say, yeah, anybody can edit anybody's videos, anybody can delete anybody's videos, comment on edit any comments. Probably don't want that one. Can delete any comment. Probably don't want that one. And can moderate all videos and comments. No. But you might want to allow people to edit any video or delete any video. We'll just leave that all unchecked. Those all look good. That all looks good. Comments allowed per member. And can delete own comments. So a lot of options, as you can see, for the members. I'm going to leave everything as is for default. Let's head back over to videos and media imports. So now, because it's disabled, I still don't have them here. If I head over to videos, I do see the feeds, and I do see my new feed there. This is going to show up twice if I import. Although, let's go ahead and change that setting and make it so that it won't allow duplicate URLs and see what happens. Save it. So now I should get some kind of error, or won't allow that this video to be imported because it already exists. Or maybe not. We'll see what happens. All right, let's go to settings, back to media imports, enable it. So right away when we enable, refresh, nothing's been added until a new video has been posted. But if I want, I can run this and it'll check for any videos that are currently on here and import them. I don't know how far back it goes. I didn't see any setting to adjust how far back it goes. I know that it doesn't get them all. It doesn't go back to a certain point. I don't know if that's 20 videos or what, but we'll go ahead and run it. Okay, now I should see my background tasks. Oh, looks like it's all done. Okay, let's refresh. There we go. So it did import it, but I don't know if it'll allow us to enable it. As you can see, everything's pink because I've chosen to have them hidden by default. But there's all our videos. I can go to the feed itself and see them there. Here's that list view if you guys want to see what that looks like. Pretty clean. Like I said, I prefer thumbnails for myself, for my sites. So let's head into one of these. Let's head into this one first because that's the one that already exists and see what happens. So I might want to add some tags. What this normally does, and I believe I have tags set for this one. Maybe I didn't.
Welcome to...
I didn't. Shoot. Normally I have tags already set, but I didn't for this one. I'll have to go in there and add some tags. Well, you see that it's pending approval. Okay. So to approve it, we just hit manage and hit approve when we're ready. I could change author, add a message, stuff like that first. Maybe I want to edit the video first and do some more, customize this a little bit more. Maybe I want to add some videos that are related, add extra videos, things like that. I'm going to go ahead and leave it. Here's the description. As I said earlier, right now it just imports the name of the video and puts it in description. What I'm hoping he will do is import this bit right here that's in the description to it. That all looks good. We'll hit submit. And let's approve it. Once it's approved, it is now live, and we'll go back to our feed and unblinked. It did let us add it. It let us add it. Let's try and add a video to this, and we'll try adding the same one again and see what happens. But that tells me it's narrowed by category that you can add video. Looks good. Let's see what happens. That media URL has already been added. Okay, so it appears that that is by category only, that restriction. So someone could add videos to different categories. All right, let's head back over to videos. And there we go. We got, still shows both of them. That's okay. Maybe I'll contact him, and you guys could too, to see if he can get that in as a setting where it's to disable that from happening across all categories instead of just individual categories. Or that could have something to do with feeds, because it was imported via feed. It bypasses that. I think that's it. You get the gist. I really like this application. I use it on my site. He's constantly updating it, and kudos. It's good stuff. I like it. I hope you do too. Once again, that's Videos version 3.3.2 by Mike John. Go ahead and get it. We'll see you next time.